Hey everyone, today we are going to understand one of the coolest concepts introduced in Java 8. So that is functional interface. So if you have ever heard of lambdas in Java, you already came across this idea. So yeah, what is functional interface? So a functional interface is an interface that contains only one abstract method. So I repeat once, only one abstract method. So it can have multiple default or static methods, but only one abstract method. So we call it as functional interface. So yeah, these are the backbones of lambda expressions in Java. So yeah, in this video, I will give you one basic example. So for that example, I will explain what is functional interface in Java. So yeah, Java provides many built-in functional interfaces in the java.util function package. So in the upcoming videos, I will tell some more important ones. So but for now, I will tell the basic example. So yeah, let's start the video. So yeah, here I create one class. So the class name is functional interface example here I given. And here this is the main method. And now here I will add some comments for better understanding. So this is for lambda expression implementing. So yeah, lambda expression implementing the functional interface. So now we will write the code. So first, so now this side. So before than this, here we create one method. So that is interface my functional interface. So I can, so here we given one method void void greet. So here also I added some comments. So this is single abstract method, right? So yeah. So here we given at the rate functional interface. Yes, we given that. So it is optional. So now we will give this name here, my functional interface. So say hello like that. So yeah, this is the message I want to print here. So welcome to FSD interview guide. And then here we call the method. Before than this, we had comments here also calling the method. So here we call that method. So what is that method name? Say hello, right? We are given. So this method. dot greet. So this is the method name, right? Greet. This is the program. And now I will explain line by line. So here, so this is the functional interface. So this is an annotation here and use it to tell the compiler that this interface is intended to be a functional interface. So it is optional, but it helps catch errors if someone accidentally adds a second abstract method. So and here interface my functional interface and here void greet of. So this is a single abstract method and this is the custom functional interface with only one abstract method called greet here. So by definition, a functional interface is an only one abstract method, right? So that's why given here. And here we created one class, right? Functional interface example. So standard Java entry point. This is where Java program execution starts here. And here, this is the main method. Like this is the standard entry point. And here, my functional interface, here Lambda expression implementing the functional interface, right? So here we are using Lambda expression to implement the greet of method here and of our functional interface. So here braces is right. So like system.out.println, like it is the shorthand for creating any anonymous class that overrides a greet of method. And here say hello.greet of right. So we call the greet of method. So the lambda expression gets executed here and it prints. So now we will uh, save the program and now we will run the program. So here, hello, welcome to FSD interview guide, right? So yeah, this is the program and I hope you like the video. Please share, like and subscribe.